my channel. Today we will solve an SQL interview question. So let's go ahead with the problem statement. So we are given three tables: students, friends, and packages. Students contain two columns, ID and name. Friends contain two columns, ID and friend, ID. And friend ID is the ID of only best friend. So this is the friends table. This is the ID of student, and this is the friend ID. And this friend ID, this friend is the best friend of this student. So this friend underscore ID friend is the best friend of this ID student having this ID. And packages contain two columns, ID and salary, offered salary in $1,000 per month. So this packages table has ID, that is the ID of the student, and the salary which the student has got. Clear? So we have three tables: students table, ID of the student, name of the student. Then we have friends table, ID of the student and ID of the best friend of the student. Then we have packages table, which has ID of the student and salary of the student. So we have to write a query to output the names of those students whose best friend got offered a higher salary than them. Okay. So basically we have to print the name. So let's see, let's start documenting the things. So output is name of student whose best friends got offered a higher salary than them. Names must be ordered by the salary amount. Order by salary of best friend. It, i- it is guaranteed that no two students got same salary offer. Okay, fine. So basically, since we have to print the name and name is available in students table, so we need stud to get data from students table. And since we have to find the check the salaries of a student and his best friend, his or her best friend. So we need this friends table also. And since we want salaries to be compared, we want packages table also, right? And we have to select name from a table which is obtained by joining students, friends, and packages. Okay, so let's see how can we join these three tables. So student will just give alias names s dot name from students s join friends f on s dot. So we have to find the name of the student, right? So we'll join it on the ID column. So s dot id is equal to f dot id. Join packages p on p dot id is equal to f dot id. So here when we so from let's see what we'll get from joining these two students and friends tables. So if we join these two tables, we'll get the name ID of a student, name of a student, and the ID of best friend of the student. And when we join it on packages table, we get the salary of the student. But we are not getting here the salary of the best friend. So we need to do one more join on the packages table so that we can get salary of the best friend also. So let's see how can we do that. We can do that by joining on the ID of best friend. So after this join, the last join, we will get the salary of the best friend of a student also, of each student. So now let's see, and now let's see what is the condition we have to apply. So we have to find the name of those students whose best friend got offered a higher salary than them. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to filter out the cases where the salary of best friend, that is P2 dot salary, is greater than the salary of student, P1 dot salary. And we have to either we can put a where clause here or we can just put a and here, and this is basically go inside the and go inside the join condition. We can do either of these ways, but what I think is that I think both the if approaches give you the same time complexity, so I think you can go with any one of them. Either you can put a where clause or just join it in the and condition. I mean, sorry, add it in the join condition. So yeah, select name is fine, output column is fine, tables are fine. Now we have to see, or we have to do how we have to display the output. So it has to be ordered by salary amount offered to the best friend. So order by, what is the salary of best friend? P2 dot salary. Let's see if this is giving the correct output or not. Oh my God, there is an error. You have an error in your SQL syntax from students S. Select s dot name from students S join friends F on s dot id equal to f dot id join packages p1 on p1 dot id equal to f dot id. Okay, it looks correct to me. Let's see what is the issue here. Re- Check the manual that corresponds to your MySQL server version for the right syntax to use near from students S. Select S dot name column is correct. Looks correct. I don't know if this is because of the case of the column names which I have given. As far as I am aware, this is not sensitive, case sensitive. Okay. Select column name. Okay, okay. This is the issue from students S. There was a typo error. I had written from two times, so I have removed the second one, and right now we have just single from statement here. Yeah, so I'll just submit the case, sorry, submit the query now. So we have passed the test case and it's giving correct output. So hope you have understood the solution. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you have enjoyed watching it. Thank you.